motion. We gotta reach out to the rest of them.
You're kind of pale, Trevor. You sure you're okay?
If you think you saw an apparition, there's a number of likely explanations. I mean, the government are releasing chemicals to control global warming. They'll try and control anything. It might have been the vapor somehow with the light.
Shut up! It was the ghost of Michael Townley, alive and well, taking the same scores, quoting the same dumb movies.
That jewel store job in Los Santos?
My cousin lives in Los Santos.
Yeah? Well, why don't you reach out to him? Find out who pulled this job and how the fuck Michael Townley came back from the dead.
We, ain't that close. Besides, he's straight, you know, a longshoreman. Good union job.
I don't care what the fuck he is. Find out who pulled the score.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady? Sorry, what was that? Well, no, you don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy.
Bullshit!
Oh, I like it, denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Oh, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies. All right, we follow the band back to the rest of them. Then the Lost MC are out of this region for good.
Yeah, you didn't see that coming. Who makes the set? I work. You didn't see that coming.
All righty, Root. Now we just sit on this guy till he gets to them.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared him, didn't we?
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are.
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps, or something.
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh. No!
Sharp left! Slow it down! I can't see us taking out all the bikers' disco, boss. I mean, there'll be some by that airstrip, and some over, you know, by that...
If not today, their time will soon be upon them.
You keep left. We might be able to jump across there.
Which of you tweaked-out imbeciles wants to kill some bikers?
I got that thing with the biking and the Los Santos.
You know I'm not that good with,
Oh, I guess it falls to me then. Where are your boys at? That's it, yeah, lead us back. I gotta taste their biker blood! I'll make my own Lost MC colors out of this prick's leather.
Oh, look, they're pulling up. You did it, Trevor. They're stopping.
I'll kill you, mother...
If you got any questions about what's happening, speak to Trevor.
I ain't always nervous, asshole.
Step right up! Step right up!
You okay?
I can't do anything
Boss,
here.
take cover!
Fucking die!
Hit the deck!
No one go out of here.
Don't worry! There's plenty of me to go around.
Oh, shit!
Pull back!
Keep down!
Get away!
Drown you in your own blood!
Get away!
Right at me, cock snot!
Dumbass!
Step right up! Step right up!
Come here now, end your suffering! We should hide your bus. He killed Johnny.
Robot!
Don't worry! There's plenty of me to go around.
Going guns fast.
Pop that creepy
They
fuck.
got chocolate.
You forget how to use your horn? Have some respect for pedestrians! Ugh. Assholes!
I'm gonna kill you, asshole!
This land belongs to the law.
Understand your pain, friends! I'm here to offer a way out!
He took out Johnny K. I'm out, no!
Time to... I'm out of here!
This is hard for me, too! I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county!
Get that creepy asshole!
I need to reload! Enough!
That was my brother!
Come out and avenge your fallen comrade!
Okay!
Fuck this asshole! You're going nowhere!
I warned Johnny, and I'll warn you the same!
No one go out of here.
Take cover, bro!
Fuck you!
You got nowhere to go!
Ah!
You got a brother down!
Ah!
Brother, find cover!
Understand your pain, friends! I'm here to offer a way out!
You shit snake!
If that trailer's got some combustible shit in it, I'd steer clear, okay?
Take cover!
Oh, man! You're kidding me! Let's have some fun!
We gotta get back!
Gotta get back!
Can I get you two anything? Soda? Snacks? No? Get in the fucking truck! Wade? What are you still doing here?
You said...
I said go find a fucking ghost in Los Santos, all right? You looking for motivation? Oh, yeah, pick me up some sticky bombs. Ortega lives near here. Let's go see him.
It's one thing messing with tweaked-out bikers, but the Aztecas? Man!
The Aztecas. It's just a name. Is he Illuminati as well? Anunnaki? Huh? One of the lizard people?
I got this Chinese contact you can meet at the inn. He'll buy all the meth we can cook.
Our enterprise ain't just about meth. It's about guns, too.
I'll be here when you need me.
The Aztecas control the guns, so we're taking them out. Here he is. Let's wake him up.
What? With the truck? No, come on. Ortega runs the whole county.
You don't anymore. Come on, come on, come on! Ortega! You fuck!
What the fuck, Trevor?
This is the fuck, my soggy friend. You are out of business. The Lost MC are out of business. The guns and crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips' enterprise, or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true. No!
You get the picture.
We was always cool.
You sure you want to do this?
The shot callers ain't gonna be happy.
I think he gets it.
I'll go away, man. But my people...
He's looking at me.
I thought you was crazy, man, not stupid.
Think about it.
The Aztecas is an international enterprise.
I don't like the way he's looking at me.
They're gonna greenlight you after this.
You sure you want to do this?
I always let you operate.
Oh, that feels better!
You sure mean business, Keith. This is an unprecedented turn of events.
I always said I was gonna take over.
People say all kinds of stuff when they're 3 days into a smoking party.
You calling me a bullshitter, friend?
Clearly not. No way. You're a man of your word, as evidenced by said events.
If I say something is going to happen, it's going to. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but as soon as the moment is opportune.
Understood. Yes, sir.
If I say I'm fucking dead, then fucking dead I am. I'm not gonna raise my balding head on a beach in 10 years' time saying, all is well.
Is this about the ghost?
Michael fucking Townley, yes it is.
Oh, you told me about him. Your old running buddy. And who was the other one?
Brad was the other one. He's locked up in a federal penitentiary. When he finds out Michael survived that job.
Yeah. What do you think happened?
If I knew what happened, I wouldn't be bemoaning these last 10 years I've spent in ignorance.
Some say ignorance is bliss.
For a man with an interest, some may say obsession, with the secret truth kept hidden behind historical events, that's a really weird thing to say.
I was trying to console you.
I don't need consolation. I need answers from that fat chump. Get out of the car, Ron. I need time to think. Speak!
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.